Hi guys, today we're going to make a new amazing experiment. It's called pencil through a bag. So what you need is a glass of water, a tray for any leakage, a polymer bag, and some few pencils that are very sharp. Now we pour the water into the bag over the tray so it doesn't go on your surface, any surface you're doing it. Pour it more than halfway. Then close the bag until you hear it click. Then get a really sharp pencil like this pencil. Now, this is where the fun begins. So, you get the sharp pencil, hold the bag, and then peel the pencil through the bag. See? No leakage. Shall we do another one? Yeah? There we go. 3 pencils in one bag. No leakage. This happens because the molecules in the polymer bag hug the pencil. That's why there's no leakage in my bag. What happens if we take the pencil out? Watch. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, can you subscribe, hit the bell, press the like. Bye bye.